Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design high converting Facebook ad creatives in Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. Choose a Facebook ad size. So let's click on create, go to social media and choose Facebook. So as you can see here, we have 3 Facebook ad size. Let's choose the Facebook feed ad. Using the correct dimensions, ensure your ad looks sharp on both desktop and mobile. Since most people scroll Facebook on their phones, always design mobile first. So let's choose Facebook feed ad. Your headline should be short, benefit-driven, and easy to read. Avoid long sentences and instead focus on clear outcome or problem your audience can relate to. This makes them stop scrolling and pay attention. The next step is adding high-quality images or simple background graphics. Faces, emotions, and product close-ups usually perform better than generic stock photos. Make sure your images support your message and don't distract from it. Use high-contrast colors so your text stands out clearly, making your brand colors visible, but avoid overwhelming the design. Keep it clean and readable. So keep your important text in the center so it doesn't get cropped on different devices. Always avoid clutter. One main message and one supporting line is usually enough for the ad. Add a strong call to action. Basically include a clear call to action like shop now, learn more, or get started. Guide your audience on what to do next because without it, even the best looking ad can fail. Then, duplicate your design and change one element at a time. Maybe the headline, image, or color. This lets you A and B test and find out what converts best. And before exporting, zoom out and view your ad like a Facebook user. If the message isn't clear in 1 second, simplify it. Lastly, exporting your design. Let's go ahead and click on Share, go to Download, and export it as a high-quality PNG. Keep it sharp and professional. Just some key principles. Remember, high-converting ads aren't about fancy designs. They're about clarity, emotion, and strong messaging. Canva gives you all the tools to do this, even if you're not a designer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.